Hello students, for class 10, this is the fifth video of chapter 7 coordinate geometry. Here I will give you the solution of NCERT exercise 7.3. First, sum number 1 of 1. What is the question? Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. Okay. Let A is equal to 2, 3, B is equal to minus 1, 0 and C is equal to 2, minus 4. Let us mark these vertices as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Since the vertices are ABC, hence the triangle is triangle ABC, then area of triangle ABC is equal to half modulus x1 bracket y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus ends. There is within modulus this algebraic expression. Now for x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 we already have marked the points. So let us put the values of x1, y2, y3, x2, y3, y1 and x3, y1, y2. On calculation this will give us 21 by 2. Modulus, it is because area of a triangle is never negative, that is why. So this is 21 by 2 means 10.5 square unit. Therefore area of the triangle ABC is equal to 10.5 square units. Now question 2. 1 of 2. In each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. Let the points are A, this 7, minus 2, B, 5, 1 and C, 3, k. Now let us mark here, this is as x1, y1, this is as x2, y2, this is as x3, y3. Now what we know, it is the application of area of triangle. We know that if the points are, 3 points are collinear, that is lie on the same straight line, they will not form any triangle. Hence the area of the triangle will be 0. Therefore for collinear points, area of triangle ABC is equal to 0. That is x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 is equal to 0. Now let us put down the value. X1 means 7, then y2 minus y3, so y2 minus y3, y2 minus y3, 1 minus k plus x2 means 5, then y3 minus y1, that is k minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, then x3, that is 3, then y1 minus y2, y1 means minus 2 minus y2 means 1 is equal to 0. Now let us multiply 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 5 to the 10 plus this is minus 3. Minus 3 into 3, that is minus 9 is equal to 0. That is we have minus 7k plus 5k, that is minus 2k, and 7 plus 10, 17 minus 9, that is 8. So we have 8 minus 2k is equal to 0. This implies 2k is equal to 8, which implies k is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Hence k is equal to 4 is the answer. Now solution of question number 3. Find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0 comma minus 1, 2 comma 1 and 0 comma 3. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. Okay, how to solve? Let D, E and F are the midpoints of the sides AB, BC and CA respectively. Now coordinate of the point D, there is D is the midpoint of AB, so by applying midpoint formula, it will be x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2, and by this we will get 0 plus 2 by 2 comma minus 1 plus 1 by 2, which will give 1 comma 0. So this is x1 comma y1. So what we get, that is the coordinate of this point is, it is 1 comma 0, which is x1 and y1. Similarly, in the same way, E is the midpoint of BC. So by applying midpoint formula, the coordinate of the point E will be 1 comma 2. So this is 1 comma 2, which is x2 comma y2. And in the same way, F is the midpoint of AC or CA. Therefore, it has coordinates 0 comma 1, which is taken as x3 comma y3. Okay. Now area of triangle DEF, this triangle, area of triangle DEF. Now area of triangle DEF is equal to half. First let us write down the formula: x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Now let down their values. It will be half. There is 1 into 2 minus 1 plus 1 into 1 minus 0 plus 0 into 0 minus 2. There is, it will be half into modulus 1 plus 1 minus 0. There is half into 1 plus 1, 2. There is 1 square unit. So we get area of the triangle DEF is equal to 1 square unit. Now area of triangle ABC, vertices we already know. So area of triangle ABC, first let us write down the formula. That is 1 by 2 modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2 modulus ends half. Then x1, that is 0, then 1 minus 3 plus 2, 3 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1 minus 1. So by this we will get, this is 0, this is 3 1 4 4 2 8, this is again 0 into, that is 0. Now 8 by 2, that is 4 square unit. So area of the triangle ABC is equal to 4 square unit. Now ratio of area of triangle DEF and area of triangle ABC is equal to 1:4. Okay. Now students, sum number 4. Find the area of the quadrilateral whose vertices taken in order are minus 4 comma minus 2, minus 3 comma minus 5, 3 comma minus 2 and 2 comma 3. So this is the quadrilateral, and for the quadrilateral we have marked its vertices A, B, C and D. And for construction what we have to do? Join AC, the diagonal AC. The diagonal AC divides the quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles ABC and ADC. Okay, now area of triangle ABC is equal to half modulus x1 according to formula y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Let us put down the values, say x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. There is minus 4 half modulus minus 4 minus 5 plus 2, then x2 minus 3 then minus 2 plus 2, that is y3 minus y1, plus x3, that is 3, and y1 minus y2, that is y1 is minus 2 minus y2 means minus 5, that is plus 5. Now this is minus 2 minus 5 plus 2 minus 3, minus 4 into minus 3 12, then this is cancelled 0, minus 2 plus 5 3, 3 3 is 9, so 12 plus 9 21, so 21 by 2 square unit. And area of triangle ADC. Now area of triangle ADC. Now again let us write down the formula for to find out the area of triangle. Half modulus x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y minus y2 modulus y1 minus y2 modulus. Now half again, there is x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. Let us put down the values for x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3. We will get these values. Let us simplify this one. We will get this is half, this is 20, this is 15, this is minus 2 plus 2 0, so 0 into 2 0. There is 35 by 2 square unit. Now area of the quadrilateral, as the diagonal divides the quadrilateral into two triangles, therefore area of the quadrilateral is equal to sum of the areas of the triangle. Therefore area of the quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABC plus area of triangle ADC, that is 21 by 2 plus 35 by 2, that is 56 by 2, means 28 square unit. So 28 square unit is the answer. Now fifth question and the last question of the exercise 7.3. You have studied in class 9 that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Verify this result for ABC, triangle ABC, whose vertices are A 4, minus 6, B 3, minus 2, and C 5, 2. Now D is the midpoint of BC. Hence AD is the median. Now coordinate of the midpoint D by applying midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. That is x1, y1, x2, y2. Now we will get the coordinates of the point D is 3 plus 5 by 2 minus 2 plus 2 by 2, that is 4, 0. Now area of triangle ABD. So for area of triangle ABD, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Okay. Now area of triangle ABD. First let us write down the formula equation. There is 1 by 2 modulus x1, y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Now let us put down the values of x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. We will get 1 by 2 modulus. There is x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Let us put down the values for it will be minus 2 into 0 plus 3, 0 plus 6 plus 4 into minus 6 plus 2. That is half. Now this is minus 8 plus 6 3 is 18 and minus 16. So this is minus 8 minus 16 and plus 18, it will be minus 6. But modulus means it is always positive, so half into 6, that is 3 square unit. Similarly, let us find out the area of the triangle ADC. Now for area of the triangle ADC, first let us write down the area formula. Half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2 modulus. Half. Now let us take in order the points are x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and put down their values in this equation and then calculate, you will get area of the triangle is equal to, there is 3 square unit. Thus what we see, area of triangle ABD and area of triangle ACD, there is both are equal. That is, area of triangle ABD is equal to area of triangle ACD. Hence, it is proved that the median of a triangle divides it into the two triangles of equal areas. Now students, here I would like to mention that it is not necessarily that the points which I have taken as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, you have to take those points only. That is, you can change the form of the points. You can consider other points as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. It is not necessarily that you have to mention those. And one thing, students, you watch the video very carefully and then solve the exercise again in your exercise copy. Okay.